Kumusta ulit mga ka-Efren Bataries dyan, yung mga fans ni Efren na katulad ko. At ito ay may mga i-react akong yung mga nakakamanghang tira ni Efren. Ito, ilan lang itong mga naipong kong to, na-compile kong to. Hindi pa gaanong, kumbaga sa kapiranggot lang to sa dami niyang magagandang tira o mga magical shots niya. Ilan lang to na compile ko, pero kasama na rin to sa mga dahilan na bakit siya tinawag na the GOAT or the magician. Kasama na rin itong mga tirang to na na-compile ko. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo o hanggang sa end para makita nyo kung bakit siya tinawag na the magician. Okay? Umpisahan na natin. Ang galing.
Right.
He looks like he's playing for that hole in between the 6 and the 7. If he gets the proper angle, it's going to be natural position as long as he can cross the bank and make it.
Right.
This is special, Rock.
Flashback.
8 ball to score.
This is special.
Look at him.
Higher count si Efren. Higher
You know what?
count.
What's Efren's percentage on this shot?
I'd
For
probably
him?
say 80%.
What's
Galing.
John Brumback's on this shot?
If he shoots it hard,
Galing.
maybe 90.
How about that?
95.
How about that?
That's
Nasa
what
8
I'm
ball.
talking about.
Don't catch no
Galing.
flashback.
Oh, baby.
Galing Ulitin nga natin yun.
What's John Brumback's on this shot?
If he shoots it hard, maybe 90.
How about that?
95.
How about that?
That's what I'm talking about. For angle, it's going to be natural position as long as he can cross the bank and make. For angle, it's going to be natural position as long
Ayaw
as he
mo
can
ulit,
cross the bank and make it.
Sige, umpisa natin dyan. Bali, last
Right.
screen na si Efren. Sa
He
8
looks
ball
like
to 8 ball.
He's
Tapos,
playing for that hole in between the 6
yung
and the
higher
7.
count na
If he gets the proper
bola siya.
angle, it's going to be natural position as long as he
isang-
can cross the bank and make it.
Isa na lang
Right.
natirang higher count. 15,
This
number
is special,
15.
Rock.
Flashback.
This is special.
Look at him. You know what? What's Efren's percentage on this shot?
Bang shot.
Right.
Probably say 80%.
Galing.
What's John Brumback's?
Last ball siya sa 8 ball.
If he shoots it hard, maybe 90.
How about that?
95.
How about that?
That's what I'm talking about.
Don't catch no
Yun.
flashback.
Oh, baby.
Talaga.
He says, after you make the TV shot, I'm not doing it today. I want you to do it. And as we all know, Efren's made many of those.
Titirahin niya number 6 o number 2. Ang galing. Ang galing talaga ni Magician. Parang kick shot, kinick shot niya sa puwit. So, pinuwit niya yung bola. Sa puwitan niya
Efren was trying to kick safe
tinira.
there, and he actually pocketed the ball, but let's see if he can do this again.
Muntik pa yung 5 ball. Galing talaga ni bata. Ito, 2 balls titirahin niya. Pero naka-block ang 8 saka. Ang galing.
Roy's
Tinira mo.
basement is in the house.
Pinakis niya muna sa ulit.
Safe there, and he actually pocketed the ball, but let's see if he can do this again.
Yan, namuntik na
What a shot.
Ito, pinakis niya muna sa number, ano ba yan? Higher count na bola ba yan? Number 13 o number 5. Tapos yung 8 ball nandun. Combination at saka carom. Carom shot. Carom
Roy's
shot
basement
at
is
saka
in the house.
combination.
What's up, Roy? Mr. Francisco doing great things for pool.
Yeah, my man holds it down.
And
Yeah,
Efren, here he
Amanda.
is, across table, coming right across, right in between the 8 and the 11. Watch the master do
Oh,
his
come
job.
on, man.
Watch the
Last ball
master
siya
do
dyan
his
sa 8
job.
ball.
Raw hand.
Diyan naman, lower count siya.
Yes.
Last ball sa 8
You
ball.
got to be kidding me. Thank
Oh,
you,
galing.
Carol Hardy.
Oh, boy.
Come on,
Everybody,
man.
throw the love on the screen. Let's put up some hearts for that. Did you see
Oh,
that
that was
shot?
ridiculous. Oh,
Position
Galing,
shot
ah.
of the day right
oh,
there.
shots fired in the chat
Ang
room.
galing
Oh,
ng
man.
preparasyon niya doon.
Oh.
Ang galing ng
Watch the
preparasyon niya.
master do his job. Raw hand.
Ulit. Tignan mo,
Mr. Francisco
yung
doing
cue ball.
great things for pool.
Yeah, my man
Eh,
holds
bali
it
last
down.
ball na yan. 1 ball na yan.
And
Yeah,
Tapos
Efren,
8
here
ball
he
na ang
is,
sunod.
across table, coming right across, right in between the 8 and the 11. Watch the master do
Oh,
his
come
job.
on, man.
Watch the master do his job. Raw hand.
Come on, man.
Yes.
You got to be kidding me. Thank
Oh,
you, Carol Hardy.
Oh boy.
Come on,
Everybody,
man.
throw the love on the screen. Let's put up some hearts for that. Did you see
Oh,
that,
that was
shot?
ridiculous. Oh,
Position shot of the day right
oh,
there.
shots fired
Galing.
in the chat room.
Oh man, there we
Oh.
Oh. Efren Reyes on.
Huh. Ibang klaseng pectos yun ah. Mga tinatawag ng left hand English. Pabaliktad ang ikot ng bola. Pero snookered naman siya sa number 3 oh. Yung number 3. Yung number 3 ayan oh. Number 3.
Can't hear.
Snookered naman siya dyan. Ay, kick shot niya.
Anybody out there watching, I wanna
Kick shot. Bang! Galing talaga. Saan ka pa kay Efren Nat? Ulit. Yun, snookered siya. Number 3. Yun. Ang galing kinickshot niya. Sa likod pa rin ng tama nung kinickshot niya.
can't hear.
Akala ko doon sa corner na isa, yung corner doon, oh.
Anybody out there watching, I wanna
Doon pala sa corner doon sa kabila, papasukin siya. Ang galing talaga ni Efren. Saan ka pa? Magician na. Kalaban niya si Eminem. Ano pa? Ano niya?
そうですね、いや、でももうしゃあないですよね。もうワンボールに向かってつくしかないですもんね。
Ah, wala kay Efren. Kahit na walang ano. Ang galing niya sa kick shot.
多分もう入れに行ってるはずですよ。
上に行ってるんですかね。この後ちょっとスーパーショットが出るんですけど。
Kaso lang, pagkatira niya, pagkapasok niya doon sa 1 ball, number 2 naman, naka-snookered to, na blangkahan ng, ano yan, 7 ba yan? 7 ba yan? Masay.
うん、はい。
Yan! Galing na naman.
この場面でこれができるというのは。
Right.
Yung mga masay na
So what do you
tira
think
ni
of that?
Efren,
I'm
sa ibang
pretty
player
much
hindi mo
speechless
gaano
now.
makikita eh.
We said it yesterday.
Kay magician lang
After
talaga.
watching some of the runouts and
Meron
watching
ding tumitirang ano, pero
victories they
bibihira.
put together and
It's great. I think.
Wow,
I like
galing.
that 10 off the
Pinakis
7.
niya. Ang galing. Oh, safety. Safety shot.
ワンクッションからでもありますね。
はい。右のチョークションからですかね。
ワンクッションからいって
はい。
手玉が上に逃げるような
Yung gagawin ni Bata dyan.
なるほ
Kick shot na naman.
手玉が残って
Kick shot sa puwit niya tinira. Bata, ang galing! Galing na naman talaga ni Bata.
ど。私は、まあ、このテーブルがわかんないですけど、まあ、当然
Ang galing.
狙ってはいない
いないです
二番ですよね
ね。今セーフティー。
はい。さあこの遠い3番。 左を
Ito, kick shot ulit.
転がればなんか入ってくるのかなとかも
Hindi,
バ
bank shot
ン
mo na.
クでバンク気味に
Ito yung titirahin niya, number 3 ito.
狙いに行くの左に狙いに行くのなんか玉クッション
Ano
し
yung
そうですね
nakaharang
カチ
doon?
カチ
Number
って
5.
かなり3番がクッションにも近い
Number 5 at saka number 6. Number 5 at saka number 6 nga yun. 6 nga ata yun.
キーを立ててるからドンとくるのかな
Babang shot muna niya yung number 3.
うわすごい
Bang! Galing!
あのキューを立ててあの精度
Talaga naman. Saan ka pa? Sablay. Sablay. Long shot. Bah. Double bank. Galing. Talagang galing ni Bata. Oh, ang galing ah. Ilang banda yon? Good shot pa rin, tinamaan yung dos eh. Dos ba yun? Tinira niya doon. Pero ilang banda? One, two, three. Puk! Tinamaan. Good shot. Ang galing ni Bata talaga. Paano niya natatansya yung tatlong banda na eh. Kabisado pa rin yung mga takbo ng bola sa pangatlong banda. Natatama dun sa dos.
これエフレン相手にこのセーフティーできるやつってなかなかいないから、これ怖いですよね。
Nakadikit. Dikit ang cue ball sa one ball. Ibabang shot niya na dito sa kabila. Dito. Diyan. Sa corner na yan.
いや
Yun!
半端じゃない
Sabi ko na nga ba, galing.
Do you think it's going to take 3.5 hours?
This, the way this is going, Efren might run the set.
Oh, 8 ball to.
I'm pushing it there.
Anong
But,
titirahin niya ulit?
the
8
cue
ball
ball
na
actually
last ball
curls
siya
to
sa
the
8 ball.
outside, I think. And I don't know if he got a shot from here. Let me check the line.
Cross side, nasty.
No,
Nasty.
if he's not shooting it yet, he
Cross
blocked
side
it.
nga.
So he has cross side.
Oh, yeah. The cross side is open, but you have to avoid the kiss on the cue ball. He's got to play the cue ball, I think,
Are
into
you
the
saying?
stripe.
Are you
Cross
saying that Efren
side.
has to avoid the kiss on the cue
Mga
ball?
dalawang
Efren.
Yeah.
Efren.
dalawang balikan.
Even him.
He invented the kiss
Ah,
on the cue
sal-
ball running it.
Ang galing.
He knows how to
Bali
kiss.
wala kay
Here we go.
Efren. Masay. Bah! Ang galing ah. Pero hindi lang na-shoot. Kulang lang sa power konti.
Team
Kulang sa lakas.
right? Now it blocks. He still can make the 8.
Oh, dikit, patay, walang... Ah! Gumanda lalo. Galing ni Magician. Gumanda, walang isang dangkal yung preparasyon niya. 9 ball, wala na. Last ball. 9 ball
He
to,
knows,
hindi 8
Raw,
ball.
that he had this whole part of the table up here.
Exactly, and he didn't account for it.
Let's say he's 20% on kicking this ball on the side.
He already kicked one of them in.
Here we go. He's got the setup. He's going to hit it with like a medium speed, not too hard because he wants the cue ball to go too far down table.
Talaga
After he
naman.
makes it, folks!
Oh,
Get
kick
out
shot.
of town.
Get out of
Kick
town.
shot na nga eh, na ipapasok pa.
Into the 7, but it's gonna be
Parang
such a
hindi
high
kick
pace,
shot
he's
yung
trying to
pagkatira.
slow it down, but I think that's what he's
Can
doing.
you do reverse English two rail back?
Galing talaga tong Magician na to.
That was about
Kaya itong mga ganyang tira niya,
opener on the 7.
iilan-ilan lang yan. Pero yan ang mga dahilan na bakit siya tinawag na the GOAT or the Magician. The Magician Efren Reyes. Efren Bata Reyes. Nag-iisa lang sa Pilipinas yan. Kilala sa buong mundo. Hindi lang sa US. Oh, dalawang rail. Two rail. Ang galing. Ang galing talaga. Ang galing talaga ni Bata. O paano? Yun lang mga na-compile ko mga ka Efren dyan. Sa susunod ulit, maghanap ako ng mga magandang tira ni Efren para mapanood natin. Pero yung mga ilang-ilang tira na ilang-ilang shot ni Efren na yun or magical shot ni Efren na yun. Yun ang mga dahilan kung bakit siya tinawag na The Magician. Okay po, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, naman, subscribe sa channel ko at paki-share. At maraming salamat po kung nanonood kayo sa ano ko, sa channel ko. Hanggang sa susunod muli. Bye-bye muna ngayon.